Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of balancing a chemical equation. This is part second. Okay, as I have explained you part 1, so in this part I am going to add one more rule. Okay, so here is an example. When lead nitrate crystals on strong heating, they decompose to form lead monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So student, this is the chemical equation. Okay, lead nitrate crystals decompose, okay, on strong heating to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So now we have to write the frequency number. How many elements are there? First one, lead, so we have to write it lead. Okay, second one, nitrogen. Okay, then third one, oxygen. Then next, lead, oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, so now we have to write the frequency number of lead, nitrogen and oxygen. The frequency of nitrogen means occurrence of lead is 1, 2, so we have to write 2. Then occurrence of nitrogen is 1, 2, again 2. Then occurrence of oxygen is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So according to our rule, the lowest frequency, we have to balance the lowest frequency first, but here two elements are having same frequency and then we have to balance the metal first. So lead is a metal, being a metal we have to balance this one first. Here lead 1 and on the other side lead is also 1, so it is already balanced. Now move to nitrogen. Here nitrogen 2, okay, and this side 1. So student, on this side we have to multiply this nitrogen dioxide with 2. Okay, so the nitrogen on this side 2 and this side also 2. Nitrogen is also balanced. Now count the oxygen. On this side oxygen 2, 3 2 is the 6. Here 1. This side 2 2 is the 4 and 2. So total 7. Okay, 4 2 6 1 7. So what is the difference? 1 atom. So student, how to balance this oxygen because of difference of 1 atom? Okay, so here I am going to explain one more rule. Means according to this rule, if there is a difference of 1 atom in reactants and product, or the number of atoms in reactants and product are even and odd numbers, and that particular elements exist in its pure elementary state in the equation, like here oxygen is present in elementary form, means without any other element. Okay, so then without disturbing this atom, okay, then without disturbing this atom means in elementary form, the element which is present in elementary form, without disturbing this form, we have to multiply the whole reaction by 2. So according to this rule, we have to multiply this whole reaction by 2. This side 2, here also 2, here was already 2, so 2 2 is the 4. So this side 4 and इसको हमें multiply, we have to leave this oxygen as it is. Okay, so now count all the elements one more time. Lead 2, balanced. Nitrogen 2, 2 is the 4. Okay, nitrogen is 4 this side also 4. Now count the oxygen. So student, counting the oxygen, 3 2 is the 6, 6 2 is the 12. So this side oxygen 12 and this side 2, 4 2 is the 8 and then 2. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 12. So now oxygen is also balanced. So this is the fully balanced equation. Means when two molecules of lead nitrate on two molecules of lead nitrate on strong heating, they form 2 molecules of lead oxide, 4 molecules of nitrogen dioxide and 1 molecule of oxygen. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Take care and in the next video I am going to explain one more rule. Okay, take care.